Last episode we found contours and turned shapes into features. This is the finale, every stage at once. One seeded program, Pandas loads a dirty table, NumPy standardizes it, Matplotlib checks it, OpenCV augments an image batch, no downloads, run it twice, same digits. The whole course in one pipeline you can ship. Stage 1, frame it. Pandas reads a raw table, area, rooms, price. But row means dirty, 12 area values are missing, one row is duplicated. So we drop the duplicate and fill the gaps with the median. 201 rows in, 200 clean rows out. Stage 2, shape it. NumPy takes the clean columns into one array, then standardizes, subtract the mean, divide by the standard deviation. Every feature now centers on 0 with a spread of 1. No single column shouts over the others. This is the array shape every model wants. Stage 3, see it. Before you trust features, you look, Matplotlib plots, standardized area against price. If the cloud tilts, the signal is real. It does. A tight upward line, correlation 0.92. The plot agrees with the number. Stage 4, sense it. Images are arrays too. OpenCV style, we take a seeded 32 by 32 color image and augment it, flip it left right, push brightness up 30, clip at 255. Same operation, same pixels, every run, tabular and image data, one mental model. Here's the whole pipeline in one file. One seeded generator, np.random.default rng7. A function build pipeline runs all 4 stages and returns the numbers. We call it twice. That's the reproduce check baked in. Frame it. We build the data frame, then inject dirt deterministically. Default lock. Naptanan for 12 rows. pd.concat to duplicate row 0. Then drop duplicates and fill in a df area. Median. Clean. Shape it. df4 areas for rooms occurs in Sosho. To NumPy, then the standardized one-liner. X mean 0, X stdl 0. We capture the resulting mean and std to prove they land at 0 and 1. See it and sense it. np.corcof gives the area price correlation for the plot, then a second seeded image, img 1. Flips it nport.clip, plus 30, 0, 255, brightens it. We read back its mean pixel, run it. Both calls return identical arrays, nepwas array equal is true. The asserts confirm features are mean 0 std1 and the figure values equal the terminal values. Nothing hand typed. Read the terminal. 201 rows down to 200. Feature mean negative 0 and 0, std1 and 1. Correlation 0.924. Augmented batch 32 by 32 by 3. Mean pixel 157.58. Reproduces run 1 equals run 2. That's the spine. Frame it, shape it, see it, sense it. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, OpenCV, one pipeline, reproducible to the digit. You don't reach for a for loop anymore. You reach for the right library. That's the whole course. Go ship something around and read every number it prints.